how to reset or recover Gmail account password. So let's say you are trying to log into your Gmail account but you have forgotten your password and you want to recover it. In this case, what you want to do is just tap on forgot password right here. It will land you on this interface. So right here it says choose how you want to sign in. Here you can see the option of get a verification code at this phone number. You can simply choose this method if you want to, and if not, you can tap on try another way to sign in. It will land you on this page. Right here it says enter an email address where Google can send you a verification code, which means you simply need to enter your alternative email address. And once you have entered your email address, tap on next. Now it will send you one verification code on that email address. You need to copy that code and paste it here. Once you are done, tap on next. Now within 48 hours, a sign-in link will be sent to this email address, and then you will be able to reset or recover your password and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and I hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.